Okay. Now, what is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal.
Bhopal is the right answer. Very good. Okay. Okay. Question. Yeah. Which ocean divides the Africa and America? North America and South America. Which ocean divides Africa and North America, South America? Wrong answer. Which ocean divides the Africa, North America, South America? Atlantic Ocean is the right answer. Very good. Okay. And yeah, which is the ocean water is called? Who? Hey, don't talk. Who? I want to ask how. Now, which ocean water is called below the India? Below the India, water is which ocean water is called with what name? What I am asking. Below the India, ocean water is there. That ocean water is called with which name? It's easy. No, what I asked you? Indian Ocean is